Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my video on the tutorial. Sorry for the last video to be so much long, about half an hour taking for recording that video. I'll try to use lesser time than that for recording time, that is. I'm gonna open my previous files and go to, where is it? Mirage, yes. Okay. So we have left where the body, only we designed the only, the body first. Now we're going to design the other parts. We already hide the back part and show the front part because that is very important, this aspect. Now I'm going to use the same discipline for designing the cockpit section. First, you might want to hide these planes because you don't want to get confused. Oh, sorry. Yes, reference geometry plane, select the front plane and go for at exactly the most front section of the cockpit, about a yes, right there. Reference geometry again. Now go to the highest point of the cockpit where the ascent stops and descent starts of this line right here. Select it a little bit right there, I guess. So I'm gonna go for 1.45 inches right there. Sorry. Yeah, bad reference right there. Sorry. Done. Reference geometry again. You might want to just finish this right here because this seems better as your cockpit can be from here to here, and this is just an extension. Reference geometry plane. Now you will finish this. So take it as far as you can. Just you want to mesh these together. So I'm gonna take it right here. Done. Now for the first plane, sorry, I will prefer that option right there. Yes, we're gonna sketch. You're gonna sketch first some sort of half circle. Be careful of that. You might have to drag and adjust it from time to time just to make sure that this matches perfectly. ঠিকমতো মিলার জন্য এটা বারবার হয়তো দেখতে হবে। এতক্ষণ পর বাংলা ইউজ করতেছি। Oh no, not like that. Mirror entities. Mirror this entity, mirror about this. Done. Now a half circle. Possibly a 3-point arc here. See what 3-point arc makes us do. What happened? I don't know. I'm gonna do it again. Oh yeah, right about this right here. Trim this if you want, and this also. See, now you will have to do something quite odd right here. I would prefer this if you, yeah, this is a tip. If you do this, you may feel more easy doing this. You can see your extrusions and stuff. Just turn everything into glass. Right. This will help you easily see everything where you want to go and sketch. Drag it in, drag it up right there. From the top view, match if this is perfect or not. A little bit small, I guess. I would be preferable, more preferable. Okay, gonna just drag this a little bit smaller. Do like this, and a little bit like this, and a little like this. Making You have to make sure that you know this actually is half. So you might need to use the dimension check. This won't work right there. Exit dimension. Yeah, I guess that's about it. A little bit up, a little bit up, up. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's about it. Make sure you section this in center line. First time you have used. Yeah, this is quite awful right here. It doesn't match. Okay, still I'm gonna use this and drag it here. We'll do the same work as sectioning this in two parts right there. Might have to drag it a little upwards. This quite takes patience for this process because you don't want to fail in this term. That is failing to properly lofting the cockpit section. Let us see if it's properly elevated or not. A little bit elevation will do, I guess. Or is it perfect? A little bit elevation. A teeny tiny bit. That's about it. Don't require more, I guess. No, it doesn't require more. So we're gonna rebuild it. Now go for the next plane. Sketch. Go to the front view. See an outline right there. See this clearly. So you're gonna take see it again. Right about there. Yeah, there. Out right here. Yes, please do see that if that line is perfectly aligned or not. Yes, it's perfectly inside the body. A spline, and drop from the. This is the highest point. Remember, so this is gonna go as high as this can. So preferably see the image first again and draw there. Still, you can draw and adjust. See a huge gap right there. So it's gonna go more upwards, right about there. Use a center line from this point. Okay, gonna first draw center line right from here to here. Now drag adjust this spline. Make sure this is horizontal. This is vertical. This is horizontal. Yes, this is about it. What you require. Now mirror entities, mirror spline and the straight line about the construction line, and boom, done. Rebuild it. So we're gonna go with the approximately the next plane, plane 8. Sketch. What you might want to do is keep the line at the same length. Yes, you can do that. Absolutely, you can do that. It'll shorten because the cockpit doesn't stay straight like that. A little short. See, it will match right there. And the spline, apply a spline right like before. Be careful. Be careful where you place it. Adjust it from the side view. I think this is properly adjusted. Now you will want to do the same thing right again, vertical and horizontal. Yes, mirror entities, mirror this and this about the oh shit, I didn't have like any construction lines there, sorry, very much sorry for that. Now mirror entities, this and this, mirror about the construction line, and boom, that's done. Rebuild. Okay, now the last plane where we want to mesh all of these things, plane 9. Sketch to see how much it comes like that. Okay, go to front again, draw a line just like before. This would be much smaller. What would like about that? To see though if that has properly matched or not. That has matched. Okay, that has matched. Draw a spline just about right there. That's preferable. From side view, just see. We again said that we want to mash it up. Though I will take it a little upper. This would be a tall structure, tall like sketch. Vertical. Horizontal. Now apply construction line. Mirror entities. Mirror about center line. It's done. Rebuild. Now just like the first time we have done our sketch, go for the right plane, the other side preferable. Sketch, spline. Go to the bottom portion first. Bottom portion. Connect the bottom sides of the sketches. Be careful doing this. We want to mess up. We don't want to mess up like the first time we did. The dragon is just required to your heart desire. Yeah, that's about nothing to drag and adjust right there because this will ultimately go inside the body. So we can just declare it rebuilt. Again, from the top portions, yes, you will need to adjust this for a perfect shape of the cockpit, just like an airplane-like shape. Oh, that's messed up a little bit. See if this is in a particular shape or not. Might have to. I want to do this instead. Only yes, that's much of a good design. So boundary boss base. Select sketch one. Oh, sorry. Select the face instead. Again, same error. What's happening right here? Okay. So we're gonna just hide this first. Okay. Now boundary base. Direction two. Select the two lines, upper sketch and the lower one. See, this is quite done here. Now also show the boundary and declare and remove all the appearances just to see what it actually looks like. More like a fighter plane right now, doesn't it? So we are gonna continue from the next video. Until then, bye. Assalamu alaikum. Save all.